Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0125 indicates a malfunction or slow response from the ECT, Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor 1 in a Honda Fit manufactured between 2015 and 2020. This DTC affects the proper functioning of the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, and indicates that the engine is not reaching the expected coolant temperature quickly enough, or that the ECT sensor is providing inaccurate readings. The ECT sensor plays a critical role in monitoring engine temperature, which is essential for optimal engine performance and key efficiency. A faulty ECT sensor can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions. It is crucial to diagnose and resolve this issue promptly to maintain vehicle performance and reduce potential long-term damage to the engine. Understanding the specifics of this DTC is vital for effective troubleshooting. The components affected by DTC P0125 are primarily ECT Sensor 1 and its connections with the PCM. ECT Sensor 1 is responsible for measuring the temperature of the engine coolant, which informs the engine management system to optimize fuel injection and ignition timing. Located near the engine block, the sensor's position allows it to accurately reflect the engine's thermal state. The PCM relies on this data to maintain efficiency and performance. Additionally, ECT Sensor 2 serves as a backup or comparative measurement to ensure accurate temperature readings. Issues with these sensors or their connections can significantly affect engine performance, and proper access to these components is essential for effective troubleshooting. Several potential causes contribute to the occurrence of DTC P0125. First, poor connections at ECT Sensor 1 or 2 and the PCM can lead to incorrect signals being sent or received, affecting engine performance. Secondly, a faulty ECT Sensor 1 can also produce inaccurate temperature readings, resulting in incomplete engine warm-up or incorrect fuel management. Thirdly, a malfunctioning thermostat can cause coolant to circulate improperly, preventing the engine from reaching the required temperature range. Each of these factors can create conditions leading to the activation of the DTC, necessitating a thorough inspection to identify the root cause effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P0125 include engine overheating and reduced fuel efficiency. If the ECT sensor is malfunctioning, it may fail to trigger the cooling system effectively, leading to excessive engine temperature. This can also result in poor fuel economy, as the PCM is unable to optimize engine performance without accurate temperature readings. Furthermore, drivers may experience an illuminated check engine light, indicating the need for immediate attention. These symptoms highlight the importance of timely diagnosis and repair to prevent further engine complications. Begin troubleshooting by starting the engine and allowing it to idle for at least 5 minutes. This ensures that the ECT Sensor 1 has enough time to provide accurate readings. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to check the current condition of ECT Sensor 1. You must compare these values against the predefined threshold, which specifies readings of less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit or less than -12 degrees Celsius. If the current condition matches the threshold, it indicates a possible wiring issue or a faulty ECT sensor and warrants checking the connector and terminal connections. If the readings do not match, continue to the next troubleshooting step. For the second step, turn the vehicle off and allow the engine to cool down to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius or below. This is crucial for obtaining accurate temperature readings from the sensors during the startup phase. Once cooled, restart the engine and observe ECT Sensor 1 until it reaches approximately 158 degrees Fahrenheit. 70 degrees Celsius. Also, check the values of ECT sensor 2 using the HDS, ensuring that it aligns with the expected threshold. If ECT sensor 2 aligns with the threshold indicating proper temperature readings, it substantiates an issue with ECT sensor 1. If not, this suggests that the system is currently functioning correctly. Thus, checking connections again or trying to replicate the conditions from the freeze data would be warranted. In the third troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to examining the thermostat. A malfunctioning thermostat can hinder the engine's ability to reach optimum operating temperature. If the thermostat is confirmed to be operational, it is crucial to check the wiring connections for both ECT sensor 1 and ECT sensor 2, as well as the PCM connections. Ensuring these connections are secure is necessary before proceeding to replace ECT sensor 1 if all other components appear functional. If the thermostat is found faulty, it must be replaced to restore proper operational efficiency and eliminate the DTC. After concluding repairs, reset the DTCs to ensure all previous error codes are cleared from the system. This process involves utilizing the HDS to erase any related fault codes and preparing the vehicle for a new diagnostic check. Once the DTCs have been reset, start the engine again and confirm that the ECT sensor readings are within acceptable ranges. This verification step ensures that the repairs made effectively address the issues indicated by the DTC. Documenting outcomes is also advisable, providing a reference for future diagnostics and repairs, confirming successful rectification of the fault. Preventive maintenance is essential to avoid recurring issues related to DTC P0125. Regularly scheduled checks of all coolant temperature sensors can help catch potential failures before they become serious problems. Performing routine coolant flushes will not only maintain engine efficiency, but also prevent buildup that can impede sensor performance. Additionally, consistently inspecting wiring and connectors for wear, corrosion, or disconnections can significantly reduce the chances of future malfunctions. Implementing these preventive actions is key to ensuring long-term vehicle reliability and optimal performance. In conclusion, DTC P0125 signifies issues with the ECT Sensor 1 and its layout within the Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. Addressing the potential causes, poor connections, faulty sensors, and thermostat failures can greatly impact vehicle performance and efficiency. It is crucial to conduct precise diagnostics to ensure any replacements or repairs are truly necessary, as incorrect assumptions can lead to unnecessary expenditures. Understanding the importance of preventive maintenance measures can help prevent the recurrence of such DTCs. Overall, maintaining vigilance and adhering to diagnostic protocols will aid in ensuring a reliable and efficient vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.